In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a regular email campaign in Mailchimp from start to finish. Let's jump right into the Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with several icons. Look for the pencil icon labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. This is where you start any new campaign in Mailchimp, whether it's an email, a landing page, or something else. In this case, we're focusing on a standard email. Once the Create menu opens, choose Regular Email. This tells Mailchimp you want to build a classic one-time email campaign, not an automated series. After you select regular email, Mailchimp will open the main campaign setup screen where you'll see sections for your recipients, your from details, your subject line, and your email content. First, let's decide who will receive this email. In the To section, click Edit Recipients. Here, you'll select the audience or list you want to send to. If you have multiple audiences, make sure you pick the one that actually contains the contacts you need. You can also narrow things down further using tags or segments if you've set those up. But for now, just choose your main audience. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. This step is crucial because sending to the wrong audience can mean lower engagement or even complaints. Next, move to the From section and click Add From. This is where you enter the name and email address your subscribers will see in their inbox. Use a name your audience will recognize and trust, like your brand or a consistent sender name, and make sure the email address is one you actually monitor. Once you've entered that information, click Save. Now, let's create your subject line. Click Add Subject. Type in a clear, concise subject that tells people what the email is about and gives them a reason to open it. You can also add optional preview text if you like, which appears next to the subject line in many inboxes. When you're done, click Save. With that in place, it's time to design the actual email. Click Design Email. Mailchimp will show you a selection of templates. Choose a template that fits the style and structure you need, whether that's a simple one-column layout or something more visual. Once you pick a template, you'll enter the drag and drop editor. This is where you add your content by dragging blocks for text, images, buttons, and more into the layout. Click on any block to edit it. You can type your message, upload images, adjust colors, and add links. Take a moment to check your spelling, make sure your images look sharp, and confirm that any buttons or links go to the correct pages. When you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Close. This will take you back to the main campaign overview screen. Before sending, quickly review each section: your recipients, your from information, your subject line, and your design. When everything looks good and you're ready to go live, look to the top right corner and click Send. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm. Click Send now to finalize. Once you do that, your email campaign is sent out to your selected audience.